Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some 5 off 25 deals that you can do at Dollar General this Saturday, September the 5th. But before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below because I'd love to hear from you guys. Alright, let's jump right in. So before we get into the breakdowns, I just wanted to point out a few items that are on sale this week. So we have the Clover Valley bottled water 24 packs, 2 for $5. And we also have the 6 packs of 20 ounce Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, Canada Dry, RC Cola, Sunkist, or A&W. They are on sale 5 for $10. And we also have the Coca-Cola or Sprite 12 packs. They are on sale 2 for $9. And we have the Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, Sunkist, A&W, 7-Up, or RC Cola, 3 for $11. And we also have the Purina Bacon Strips or the Purina Benefil dog food trays, the 10 ounces, 3 for $5. And also wanted to point out that this back to school coupon, save $5 when you spend $15 on any back to school stationery items. That coupon is still available and it will stack with these BOGO Big Gelosity pens coupon or the save $1 on any one big stationery product. And if you want to see how I use that coupon, I have a video and I will link that down below if you want to go check that out. It worked out to be a really great deal. And if you guys are looking to celebrate Halloween this year, or if you just want to pick up some cheap candy, there's a lot of sales going on this week with buy 2, get 1 free deals. We also have buy 3, get 1 free deals. And we have a digital coupon that is save $2 when you spend 7 or more. So that might be a great thing to throw in with your 5 off 25. And one last coupon matchup that I wanted to mention is that the General Mills and Post cereal is on sale this week, 3 for $6. If you want to use that 1 off of 2 digital coupon and the 75 cents off of 1 digital coupon, that will leave you paying just $4.25 for 4 or $1.42 each. So my first deal includes some instant savings, so I just wanted to go over this really quickly. In this example, I used a instant savings that we had about a month or so ago on Suave products. It was instantly save $2 when you spend $6 on any Suave items. So the amount of instant savings must be added to the $25 if you're using it with the 5 off 25, because the instant savings will come off first at the register and your total still must be $25 in order to use that coupon. So for example, in this example, if you bought $12 worth of Suave, you must add $4 to that $25 total. So your overall total needs to be $29 in order for that 5 off 25 to work. So I'll explain this a little bit more in the breakdown. So for this breakdown, we have an instant savings on the Cottonelle, Scott, and Kleenex products. It's when you spend $15, you will instantly save $3 at the register. So you want to pick up 1 Cottonelle bath tissue for $7, 1 Cottonelle wipes for $3, and 1 Scott paper towels for $5.50. That will bring our instant savings total to $15.50, and then $3 is instantly going to come off at the register, so our total for this transaction needs to be $28 or more. So you want to pick up those 3 items, then you want to pick up 2 of the Welch's fruit snacks for 68 cents, 1 of the Big Extra Fun pencils for $1, 1 Tide Simply Pods, the 13 count for $2.95, 1 of the Eucerin lotions for $4.50, and 2 of the Head & Shoulders travel size for $4. So our total is going to be $28.63. Our instant savings is going to come off, and our new total is going to be $25.63. So I just wanted to kind of explain that, and if you guys have any questions, just leave it down below. That way, if you guys kind of mix and match and you want to come up with your own breakdown, you know what to do, especially if you're new and you don't really know what instant savings is or how it comes off. So just keep that in mind, and if you have any questions, just leave them down below. So here are the coupons that you want to make sure are clipped to your account. And here's the list of coupons. So you want to use that 5 off 25, the $1 off of 1 Cottonelle, the 50 cents off of 1 Cottonelle wipes, 1 off of 2 Welch's fruit snacks, 1 off of 1 Big Stationery, 2 off of 1 Tide, 3 off of 1 Eucerin lotion. If you don't have the 3 off of 1, you can just switch it and use the 2 off of 1. and the 3 off of 2 Head and Shoulders. So your total after coupons will be just $9.13 for 10 items, making each item just 91 cents. And that is a great deal, especially when you're getting paper products. So for this next deal, it's kind of a household deal. You want to pick up one of the Tide Simply liquids, the 1 gallon, for $8.95. One of the Tide Simply pods, the 13 count, for $2.95. One Airwick warmer plus oil refill for $3.35. One Finish dishwasher packs, the 16 count, for $3.50. 3 Powerades that will come up to $2.70. They're 80 cents each. One Cafe Bustelo coffee, the 6 ounce, for $2.50, and 2 of the Bolt 24 Gatorades for $3. They are $1.50 each. So your total will be $26.65. And here are the coupons that you want to make sure are clipped to your account. So here's a list of the coupons that you want to use. You want to use that 5 off 25, the 3 off of 1 Tide, the 2 off of 1 Tide, the $1.50 off of 1 Airwick, $2 off of 1 Finish, $1 off of 3 Powerades, 1 off of 1 Cafe Coffee, and the BOGO Bolt 24 Gatorade. So after coupons, your total will be $9.65 for 10 items, making each item just 97 cents each. So this next breakdown, I'm going to be incorporating the Suave body wash deal with this buy one get one free paper coupon from the 8:30 Retail Me Not. So we have 2 digital coupons that will stack with this paper coupon, and the first one is specifically for Suave men's products. So you want to pick up 4 of the Suave men's body wash for $8. They're $2 each, and the coupons that you want to use is that 2 off of 6 Suave men's product and 2 of the buy one get one free Suave body wash coupons, and that will leave you paying $2 for 4 or just 50 cents each. So I just wanted to point this out so that we can get the most for our money, and you can do this in 2 separate deals. You can break it up, or you can just go in and do this deal by itself or incorporate it into a 5 off 25. So here is the second Suave coupon that we have. We have a save $2 when you spend $7 on all Suave products. So for this one, I have the women's body wash listed, but you could really mix or match. It just depends on how many paper coupons that you have available. If you only have 2 and you want to pick up 2 of the men's and 2 of the women's using this 2 off of 7 digital coupon, that's perfectly fine. But here's my plan, and I'm just going to share with you what I plan on doing. So picking up 4 of the Suave women's body wash this time, and using that 2 off of 7 digital coupon, using 2 of those buy one get one free from the Retail Me Not, and that will leave me paying just $2 for 4 or 50 cents each again. So just keep that in mind, that they're 2 separate coupons, and if you want to get all men's products and then all women's products, you can definitely do that. This next deal is all personal care items. So you want to pick up 4 of the Suave men's body wash for $8. They're $2 each. 4 of the Suave women's body wash for $8, and those are also $2 each. 2 of the Craz-E 3 count bar soaps for $5.50. Those are $2.75 each. 1 of the Chic Classic razors for $4.50, and 1 of the Nivea lotions for $2.48. So your total before coupons will be $28.48. And here are the coupons that you want to make sure are clipped to your account. Now we're going to be using 4 of those Suave coupons from the Retail Me Not. And I also wanted to point out that if you don't have the Chic Digital left, we still have that 3 off of 1 Chic disposable razors coupon from a recent Smart Source. And that does expire this Saturday on the 5th. So just keep that in mind. So here's a list of coupons that you want to use. You want to use the 5 off 25, the 2 off of 6 Suave men's, the 2 off of 7 Suave products, 4 of those buy one get one free Suave body washes from the 8:30 Retail Me Not, $2 off of 2 Crest products, 3 off of 1 Chic razors, the digital coupon or the one from the 816 Smart Source, and the 2 off of 1 Nivea lotion. So your total after coupons will be just $4.48 for 12 items, or just 37 cents each. Now, if your stores have been out of stock on that Nivea lotion like mine have, they've been out for a couple of weeks now. So if you can't find the Nivea lotion, you can still do this breakdown. Your total before coupons will be $26, and after coupons, it will be just $4 for 11 items, making each item just 36 cents each. So it's still a really great deal. So for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, this is how I ring up my items whenever I go to check out. So first thing, ring up all the items, make sure that the cashier hits total, or just ask them, is my total over $25? Then type in your phone number and wait for all of the digital coupons to come off. Then if you have any paper coupons, I always hand those over last. So keep in mind that if the total isn't what you expected, you can always void the transaction because it's your money and you decide. Also, if you void the transaction, your digital coupons will go directly back onto your account and you can regroup and try again. Alright guys, that's it for me for now, but I am going to try to work on a few more breakdowns and have that video up early Saturday morning before the store opens. So if you're not already subscribed, please do so and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when my video goes up. Also, before you go, hit that thumbs up button. And if you have any questions or comments or anything that you'd like to share with me, I would love to hear from you guys. Just leave it down in the comment section below. Alright guys, I will see you on the next one, and thank you so much for watching.